Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making Bánh Bao or steamed buns. So we have about 400 grams of flour here. This can make about 6 to 8. And here is 200 milliliter of milk and 100 grams of sugar, powdered sugar to be exact. And this will be all mixed in a mixing bowl. And please stay tuned to see how it's being made. Okay, so with this powder, we have also the yeast. Okay, so we pour in 400 grams of steamed bun flour, and then
we keep about 1 tablespoon.
Right. Okay, and we keep about 1 tablespoon of that for rolling it out. And here we're going to add the yeast directly to the flour. Okay. We add the powdered sugar, and if you don't have the powdered sugar, you can always use the regular sugar and mix it with the milk. So here we stir up the flour and the yeast together with the sugar. Okay. We pour the warm milk into the flour. Okay. And mix the liquid with flours and sugar and yeast thoroughly. Okay, so the flour should be with this consistency here.
It's not stick in your hand?
It should not stick onto your hand. And you got to do this at least for about 20 minutes. Okay, minutes of kneading the flour. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we begin to knead another 10 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes of kneading, we're gonna let the dough rest for about an hour or so before we steam the buns. Okay, so now we're cutting the Chinese sausage. So here is the mushroom, shallot, scallion, and then tap xưởng, or Chinese sausage. And we also prepare the ground pork. So it's time to marinate the pork, the ground pork. Here we have green onion and shallot. Okay, now we add additional shallot, green onion, and then mushroom. This is black fungus mushroom to be exact, not the regular mushroom. Now we're adding the bột nêm or seasoning powder, and then we add about
One and a half.
almost 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then here's the oyster sauce. We're adding to the mix about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And we also have ground pepper. And then sesame oil. And so then we're going to mix them all up and thoroughly to make the stuffing for the steamed pork buns. So this is the stuffing that we prepare for the pork steamed buns. We're steaming the stuffing for the pork buns
For 5 minutes.
and it's going to be about 5 minutes. The stuffing is cooked for 5 minutes and we're going to be taking it out. Okay, so we let the dough rest for about 1 hour and it's now double in size. Okay, it's time to roll the dough. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna steam the first 5 pork buns. Okay, so
There's one in here.
to whiten the
Steam bun.
we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, so we add 2 tablespoons of vinegar into the steamer to whiten the pork bun. Okay, it's time to take the steamed pork bun out. Now look at that. Okay.
Very hard. Maybe take it out.
Okay, so this is what it looks like after it has been brought out from the steamer. Okay, we're gonna cut one to show you what it looks like inside. Wow, look at that. So you got pork, lạp xưởng or Chinese sausage, and then eggs. Looks really good. Okay, so let's take a bite to see how it tastes. We got pork, eggs, and Chinese sausage or lạp xưởng. Alright, let's... Delicious. Very good. That's how it's supposed to taste. So, thank you all for watching. Please remember to press like and subscribe if you like this kind of food that we're cooking.